All right, I know there are a lot of y'all out there that love coffee. I like it. Can't say I love it, but that doesn't matter. I appreciate good coffee packaging. I don't know what's in here. My incredible team has set this here, and I don't have any context other than I'm sure it's pretty cool, or at least was intriguing enough to purchase it. So we brought this in, and we're going to check this out. This is something from Onyx Coffee Lab. Okay, let's dig right in. We've got a pretty simple box here going on with a little skull and, no, not crossbones, just a skull that says Onyx in it. Maybe death awaits. Yeah, pretty simple exterior box. Feels like it's jam-packed. That's pretty full. All right inside. Again, I love when brands do this. They really go over the top, communicating what they're about and their values and what makes them distinct. So join our pilgrimage, seeking quality, truth, and accountability in coffee. We journey to find the finest and most unique coffees in the world. Transparency and excellence are the expression of our core. We publish all trades and meticulously roast in small batches daily to achieve the highest mark in coffee. And from what I can see right now, I'm pretty excited about this. So there are several of these packages that there are several packages in here, and they are pretty stinking gorgeous. They've done a wonderful job, but man, really over the top. This pack here is a paperboard carton with this little like telescoping lid thing on it here. It feels like a soft touch laminate on it. A tone-on-tone label that talks about the brand. There's a really cool embossing. Hopefully you can see it here. So yeah, there's this really cool embossed texture on it. It says "Never settle for good enough." Is embossed into this, and then this bottom here, there's a debossed Onyx Coffee mark. All whole bean coffee is sourced, roasted, and packed by Onyx roasters, and then they're using digital printing on here, just like barcode printers. But it's a really cool note where they're actually talking about the date that it was made. So this was crafted a few days ago. This must have just shown up. And then inside of here, we've got a bag that again they just have their really simple skull logo here on the front. I am not gonna open this bag right now, but I'm pretty sure there's just a plastic lined or maybe even a foil line on the inside of this. This isn't really all about the sustainability of the product. This is really more about the aesthetics, and right now they're doing pretty cool. Another really cool structure has that same soft touch to it, has another kind of solid color to it. Totally different vibe, which is interesting. I don't know if that's a design decision or if this was like an older structure or something else. This Onyx has a very different look to it than I've seen anywhere else. There's actually a whole lot of fonts going on here in places. Maybe one of my few critiques so far. But then they've got this lavender chamomile, I don't know how to say this, some herbal tea. Never settle for good enough. There's taglines carrying through. And this really cool structure that uses a tab to lock into a little center there. Inside of here, this actually feels like maybe it's a compostable material. And inside of here, it looks like some tea bags, which is pretty cool. Love what they did with that. And again, they brought in some of these embossings. I don't feel any debossings here. Very different look to this, but there may be some rationale for that I just am not aware of. Then we've got another, yet a different structure, because this is just a bag similar to the bag that's in here. And this one has the sticker on the bag itself. A lot of difference in the way that they're packaging these things, and I'm curious why that is. Usually you get some efficiencies in some type of consistency and scale. On the bottom here, there's another version of their mark, which is more of a signature onyx, and then a severed snake at the bottom there. And we got that same signature onyx on the back here. Here is something else that I don't know what it is. That's pretty cool. As this thing opens up, we've got just graphics and things like that looks like they all relate to brewing and regions, and I don't think it's meant to be studied. I think it's more just a vibe that they're going for, but it's pretty cool. And then on each end here, they've got miniature or more of these smaller bags with labels on them. And these are all pretty consistent. They're all pretty cool. Have different colors to them. Yeah, and they're all just sorts of different. This looks like useful information, filter and drip information, some parameters for espresso. So I think it's just really cool packaging. I love some of the structures that they've done. This is really cool. Some unique stuff. I love the way they pulled in elements. Probably my only critique, it lies in some inconsistencies in brand elements here and there. But I think this is a smaller outfit, and I'm not gonna knock them for it. Love it. I think they did a great job. If there's anything that you've seen, especially, we've had a lot of these kind of craft experience coffee conversations lately. If there's anything that you've seen that you think we should check out, hit us up in the comments below. And thanks for watching Unpacked.